Hello everyone. We continue to show you our bot that works on a neural network and brings us profit every day. Let's show how it works. Select a currency pair expiration time and go to the bot. In the bot we select the currency pair for which we will open trades and request the first signal. The bot recommends opening our down trade. Open and wait. You can get the bot absolutely free. The link is in the description, under the video, and in the pinned comment. From the very first transaction, the bot brought us profit. Let's continue receiving signals and see how the bot performs. The bot also issued a second signal for a downgrade. Let's do that. This time we caught a minus. It's okay. Let's double our bet and open a martingale trade. This time we will open a trade for an increase as the bot recommends. The bot not only returned our previous bet, but also brought us to a good advantage. Let's go back to the 500 bet and continue getting signals. The bot recommends opening the fourth trade for an increase. Open a deal and wait. This is simply incredible. The market began to fall. Not a single trader would have opened a bullish trade in such a situation, but the bot did an excellent job and brought us profit again. Let's get the final signal from the bot and see how much we earned in a couple of signals from the bot. Down signal from a bot. Let's open our last trade. And again a plus. You can achieve this result with our bot. The bot is absolutely free. Don't miss your chance. Start earning money today.